Good day, class. This is teacher Regina once again, and today's topic is about displaying data. From the previous lesson, we discussed under the displaying data, including the two-way table, frequency table, and also the bar graph. This time, we will discuss about the pie chart. What is a pie chart? A pie chart is a circular statistical graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportion. And before we do a pie chart, we must have a frequency table. As you see in this frequency table, it is showing a different flavor of an ice cream. Frequency showing the person or the people who wants this flavor. So the total of our frequency, it is important to know, okay, if we add all the frequency, it is equal to 100 in order to do the fraction of the total. So how we will do the fraction of the total? Since our total frequency will be our denominator and the given frequency will be our numerator. So 25 over 100 is the fraction of the total. Okay? Now, if we simplify it, it will become 1 over 4. Next, chocolate is about 50 person. So, our numerator will be 50, the frequency, and then the total of frequency is 100. If we simplify it, it will become 1 over 2 or 1 half. The same thing with the strawberry. We have 25 frequency, so the fraction of the total is 25 over 100. It is equal to 1 over 4. Now, we will do this on the pie chart. Okay, as you see, this given date on the frequency table, it is easy to do it in a pie chart because 1/4, we know how to divide it using the fraction. Okay, when we say 1 half or 50% is equal to 1 half, it means the half of the circle. Next, 25% is equal to 1/4. That's why this one is equal to 1/4. So, this is the pie chart from this frequency table. This one showing what is that flavor. Like this one, this color means vanilla. This color means the chocolate, which is 50% or what we call 1 half. Okay? Then strawberry is this green one showing 1 over 4 or 25%. Now let us do this on an activity. Okay. So here, what we need to do is looking at the table, the number of brother and sister of 30 students in a class. It means our frequency total is equal to 30 students. So, this is our frequency table. This is showing the number of sister and brothers. Frequency showing how many students. It means in 5 students, they have 0 brothers and sister. Each student, each student, they have 1 maybe brother or sister. Okay, so 11 students, they have brother and sister, 2. So this is how we will read that. Okay, since we already have the frequency table, so what we need to do is we need to show this information on a pie chart. But before we show it on a pie chart, we need to do or to express the figure as percentage first. So we can draw the pie chart. How we will do it? So this is gonna be the table now. See, here now the number of sister in our frequency. Again, our total frequency is equal to 30 students. So do not forget that in order to do the fraction of the total. Okay, again, where do I get this 5? This is from the frequency. from where I get the 30 is the total number of frequency. So this is going to be our fraction of the total. Okay, so again here, our frequency is 8, then fraction of the total is 30. Then 11, okay, then fraction of the total is 30. The same with the other. Okay, as you see, the given frequency, then the total frequency. Now, in order to get the percentage, what we need to do is to multiply the fraction from 100. Then, you will get the percentage. Here, okay, we have a 1 decimal. If you get a 2 more decimal, just round up the first decimal. Okay, so here again, the fraction of the total 5 over 30, multiply it by 100. So what we will get is 16.7%. So again, from the other also, okay, we must multiply all by 100, the fraction of the total, in order to get the percentage. Okay, now we must to get the 100% in total. But because we have the decimal, if we total this percentage, we will get only 99.8% because of the decimal. But if we round up this into the nearest whole number, we will get the 100. So it is also considered as 100%. Okay, now after we do it on a percentage for us, so it's easy to draw, let us do it as angles. Okay, so how we will do it? Okay, the same information or the same data that we have the number of brother and sister, the frequency table, the frequency number, and the fraction of the total. So these three things you need to have need to complete. So in order to get the angles, what you need to do only is get the fraction of the total and then multiply it in 360. Okay, why we multiply it in 360? Because remember, in a pie chart is a circular or a circle, a full circle. So the total degrees of a full circle is equal to 360 degrees. That's why we multiply it in 360. So if we get this, 5 over 30 multiplied by 360 means we will get 60 degrees. So you don't forget, when we are talking about the angles, don't forget the unit or the symbol that we need to put. If we are talking about the percentage, you put percentage. Okay? Then, here, the same, get the fraction of the total, multiply it by 360 degrees, so it is equal to 96 degrees. The same thing with the others you need to do. Again, I repeat, when we want to get it in angles, multiply it in 360. Now, let us do it in a pie chart. Okay. The pie chart would be drawn using an angle measurement or a protractor. So first, you are not familiar, what is an angle measure? Okay, or what do you call this one? Okay, angle measurer. Okay, so this is an example of angle measurer that we don't use to see. Okay, because this is a full circle, so it's easy to know the angles of a full circle. While this one is a protractor. Okay, a protractor is the usual that we use. Okay, but how do we use a protractor? If we want to draw an angle, of course, we will start a line here. Yeah, okay, then be on the edge of the line. Okay, so if you want your angle opening here, means you start with a 0. If you want 40 degrees, means you mark the angle here 40 degrees. Okay, so here. Next, if the angle is from here, the line down, so you will start in this reading or zero. Okay, so don't forget be on the middle of the protractor, not here, on the this one. Okay, middle. Okay, now if you start here, it means you will read the measurement from here. So opposite from here, this is the 40 degrees, not 140. Here, when the angle is here, you will read it from here, starting with zero. Always start with the zero when you read. Okay? So here, if you want 40 degrees, it means the 40 degrees is here. Okay. Let me show you one. Okay. For example, our point is here. Okay. So as you see, the angle will be here. Okay. So, okay. Now, I want a 40 degrees. Okay. So it means my 40 degrees is from here. Okay. So this is my 40 degrees. Understand? Next, if my angle is from here, then I will draw like this. This is my zero now. Okay. Okay. Now, I want a 50 degrees. So where is my 50 degrees? Oh, this is 60. Okay, 60. As you see, this is 60. Okay, so this is showing 60 degrees. You see how you will do the angle using a protractor. So that's why we will use a protractor better to, what do you call it? Because this is the usual that we have. Okay, next one. Now let us show. After we get the percentage and the angle, this is now our pie chart. Now I will explain how do we do the pie chart. First, of course, you need to draw a circle and you need to look for the center of the circle. Now, okay, now it is showing now the percentage. Okay, just to remind you, you see that the percentage here is without the decimal. That's why, okay, now I will show you the degrees because we will use the protractor in order to draw it. Okay, so each side or each sector will show, or we have the equivalent degrees. Okay, note here that the percentage is equal to 101% because we round off, we remove the decimal. So again, in order to draw this angle, 60 degrees, so you need to use the protractor. After that, continue with 96 degrees, 132, and then 36 degrees here, and then 24, and then 12 degrees. So if you total it, it will be 360 degrees. Again, you know what is the meaning of this? Okay, this is our frequency or the number of brother and sister showing. Each color represent the number of sister. So this is how you need to do. Okay, you need to show how it's up to you on the next activity how you will choose your color. What is important, it should be correct in the degrees and the percentage. So you will get the correct measurement when you put it on the pie chart. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope everyone understand our topic today. And thank you for everyone who is always completing their activity. Keep safe, everyone.